there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a simple cactus. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker pen to draw this simple cactus. It's really easy. I'm using a thinner black pen. Let's draw its thorns. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using my green colored pencil. And now for the soil, I'm using yellow-orange pencil. Wow, it's so easy! Thank you so much for watching.